filled with fresh Japanese food. It's a supermarket. It's located in the largest city in NorCal, San Jose, California. What's up, travelheads? It's Brian from LifeOfBD, and today we are out here in Mitsuwa Marketplace. There are a lot of fresh foods here, and I can't wait to try them, so let's go. Japanese Wagyu from Japan, sashimi, instant noodles. You can find a lot of things here that you can't find anywhere else in the Bay Area. There are a lot of Japanese things here. It is a Japanese market, and you do get that little Japanese vibe in it. So if you're here for some fresh snacks, you have to arrive early so you can choose from a variety of different snacks around here. Say if I arrive here at 2 p.m, most of the shelves right here with the fresh food would be cleared out and empty. You want to arrive early so you can choose from a variety. And right here we have the onigiri, which is something I always get when I come here. There's a variety of them, and I normally choose the unagi one. So the onigiri, what's in here is a triangle rice shaped it with meat in the middle and the seaweed on top of it, as you can see. And it looks very familiar because, you know, if you ever watch Pokemon, you see Brock feeding his Pokemon something similar to this. Aside from the onigiri here, we still have like other things like fresh sushi. I don't eat raw, so one of my friends that are with me is gonna try out the raw food. And there's also like these little entree snacks that you can get. That's why you come here early, so then you can choose from a variety. With the pandemic, Mitsuwa isn't putting out as much fresh food as you would see, but there are still tons of options to choose from. So here I have the unagi, onigiri. As you noticed earlier, I was talking a lot about this. It's one of the things I always get when I'm out here in Mitsuwa. So let's give this Pokemon treat a try. I'm not sure how to really place everything in this, so let the seaweed stick to the rice. And like this, there's your little Pokemon snack, and you just take a bite. The unagi is in the center, and yeah, I'm gonna take a big bite on this one. There's that unagi. So the unagi is rich in umami sauce. It's very tender also, and yeah, I enjoy it. I mean, it's my go-to whenever I'm in Mitsuwa.
So we have the unagi here, scallop, tuna, salmon, hamachi, and shrimp. Pretty much everything you can think of when you go to sashimi. And it's for a reasonable price too, it's like 15 bucks. Alright, so I'm gonna try this piece. It's a squid, or octopus. Really fresh, really fresh. Tastes kind of slimy, but that's how squid tastes anyway.
So I got the chicken karaage and I got the tamago omelet. We're gonna try the chicken first because it looks really good. Nice and tender, good seasoning. That's pretty good. Try the omelet next. So that knife. Usually I hear these things are pretty sweet. There's like layers of egg, but I don't know. We'll see. So, definitely sweet, but in a good way.
I forgot.
I think it's a Japanese soda, lemon flavored, sparkling. Not too sweet. Super refreshing on a day like today too. Yeah, it's probably pretty good.
For the next 2 weeks, Wednesday and Sundays, we're doing a Japanese series, so subscribe to be updated. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing so you don't miss any episode from the Japanese series. Until then, travel heads.